Okay, we have some marbles. Sixteen are blue and 24 are red. What is the ratio of marbles I have? 16 is to 24. What is the ratio in the simplest form? Two is to 3. Now there is a boy named Brahman. He is having 25 marbles. A boy Brahman has 25 marbles, and out of which 8 are red. Again in red can. So 8 are red, and the remaining are black. Remaining are black marbles. How many black marbles should he pull out from the bag so that the ratio of red to black markers become 1/2? How many so that the ratio of red to black becomes 1:2? Yes. Number of black marbles he should remove. ओके कितने मार्बल्स हम यहाँ पर निकाल दें, कितने ब्लैक मार्बल्स हम निकाल दें ताकि जो रेशियो है वो 1:2 हो जाए. Bhargav's answer came 1. For the first question, the ratio was 2:3. Yes. First का ratio जो है आप सभी का आ गया 2:3. Okay, out of 25, 8 are red. So how many are black? 5 here and 3 there. 17 are black. Now we just want to subtract something from 17. Yes, it is 8/17. What I should subtract so that it become 1/2? Only one will subtract, so it becomes 16. And we know that 8/16 is 1/2. So just a little bit of thought process needed here. Okay. Yesterday you all tried to compare the ratios. Two by 7 or 4/5. Which one is greater? 2 by 7 or 4 by 5? Which one is equal? Sharda is telling 4 by 5. Three by 8 or 2 by 9, which is greater? Here, as you can see that 10 or 14. We know that 14 is greater, so 4 by 5 is greater. 3 by 8 or 2 by 9. Do the cross multiply. Fine. Now, does anybody is having any question from 8A? Sujal, which question? Now you just check. I'm writing some of the ratios. 16 ratio 24 and 26 ratio 39. Check whether they are equal or not. Out of these three, okay, Bhargav is very quick to answer. If those who want to compete with him, you have to be more quick in answering, more faster. Now, what we can say when the two ratios are equal, we observed here that 16 by 25 4 is equals to 26 by 39. What it means, what we can say, the equivalent ratios. There are two ratios which are equivalent. So what we can name them? Okay, Bhargav, best of luck for your exam. Equivalent ratios are called when the two ratios are equal, when A by B is equals to C by D. Are called so equivalent ratios are said to be equivalent ratio are called proportion. In the form of algebra, we are calling it A is to B. Then we use 4, which represent equal. Means that A by B is equals to C by D. And this A and D, okay, A and D, they are the extreme terms. And what we can call this B and C, they are the middle terms, extreme terms and middle terms. We can see that when we do A by B is equals to C by D, during cross multiply, A into D is equals to B into C. So the product of extremes equals to the product of mean terms. Yes, give the example. Anushka and Samiksha, don't comment uselessly. Bhargav, what is the example, boy? ये तुमको शायद ऐसा लगता है कि सर शायद खुद के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं या क्या है मींस यू जस्ट keep it in mind, this is all we are just doing for you people, and if you are not Bhargav, example. There is a water gallon which is equals to 4 times the small bucket. Find if you need 4 gallons. So this is proportion when the ratio A by B is equals to C by D. जब दो रेशियो इक्वल होते हैं तो हम इनको proportion कहते हैं. Now Bhargav is telling that a water gallon and a small bucket. Okay, there are two things. Water gallon and bucket. So for one water gallon you need 4 buckets. So for 4 water gallons, how many buckets you will need? Yes, 4 small buckets is equals to 1 big bucket. Then find 4 से भी कर सकते हैं हम. 1:4. Then 4 is to what? $16. Yes. Show that. So this is A, B, C, and D. Three is to 4. 45 is to 60. By what number I may divide it to get 3/4? So this way we can check whether they are in proportion or not. Okay, and if these ratios are not coming same, we can say their lowest form are not equal. Or this way you can do like Bhargav already done, like 30 into we put an equal and we do a cross multiply. But it's a bigger method, I think. Write the question with me. 3:5. The ratio is 3:5. In another solution, the same two liquids, (18:30). Are the liquids same in both solution? Say yes or no and give the reason why. There are two solutions we are talking about. In one of the solution, we have given the simplest form. In another solution, 18:30 is given. So, are the liquids in both solution in proportion? So, 18/30, by what number you divide it? To make it into the simplest form, okay, this is the example we are discussing where actually we are not using that in a, but if suppose when you do something in chemistry in your higher classes, you may be doing some practicals, okay, there you have to mix some of the liquids in some ratio, है ना, 3:5 ratio में है और एक पे लिखा है 18:30, अब वो कह रहे हैं नहीं मेरा ज्यादा है, I used 18:30 and you used only 3:5. So we can able to tell that when you divide 18 and 30 by 6, you are getting 3:5. So these two ratios are same. Yes. चलो हाइड एंड सीक खेलते हैं थोड़ा सा. In the hide and seek game, we have, if the ratios are in proportion, if the ratios if the ratios 21:57 and 14:Z are in proportion, find Z. (21 to 57), 14:Z. You asked Z. So there are maybe 2 or 3 ways to find Z. The simplest one, I think we should convert it to the lowest form. 21 or 57, both are divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21. 3 7s to 19 is the ratio. Now, how you people are getting 18, I don't know. 18 is not the answer. Zadia madam, send me the solution part which you did now only, Adya. Adya, Sharda, Vineet. Yeah, Saksham is good, correct. Yeah. So you can see here that the 7 must be multiplied by 2 to get 14. Yes? Same way when you multiply 19 by 2, the Z is 38. The value of Z is 38 here. Okay, so if it is not in the lowest form, convert it to the lowest form. और ये हमें समझ गया है कि लोएस्ट फॉर्म जो है उसी के ये सब इक्विवेलेंट रेशियोज है ना. अगर प्रोपोर्शन में है मतलब इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो है, और इक्विवेलेंट रेशियो में जो लोएस्ट फॉर्म होता है उसी में कुछ इनटू कर रहे हैं. Either we can divide by the same number. Wait for a minute. The camera is a little bit blur. Just wait, huh? Don't sing the song blur blur. We get the focus in a few minutes. Till that time, 2 by 9, x is 227. चलिए 2 by 9 x by 27. Now जिससे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ वही आंसर करें. हाँ, be in discipline and obey the rules. Okay, so only Gaurav Odaskar will answer. Gaurav बताओ इसका आंसर क्या होगा. What is x? क्या कर रहे हैं? ये तो अनुराग है. X is equals to 6. Same way you can find for 2.8, 14 and 3.5, find the fourth proportion. Fourth proportion. Fourth proportion. What will be the fourth proportion here? We have 2.8, 14, 3.5 and x. Again, remember, either you do it the lowest form and you can do it. Fine. How you people only answer actually how you are doing. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाला मेथड तो है ही फिर, और उसके पहले मुझे ऐसा आई फील गुड अगर आप इसका लोएस्ट फॉर्म निकाल ले और उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग देख लीजिए. Let's see how you people are doing. I am just waiting for your answers. You may remove this decimal here. और आपको पता है 14 का डबल है, ये हो रहा है 0.2 to 1. 14 ones are 14, 14 times 28. So whose double is 3.5? भार्गव 3.5 का हाफ. 3.5 का हाफ होगा 1.75. शशांक अपने आंसर्स मुझे भेजो अभी इसी वक्त. जो भी अभी लाइव क्लास में सॉल्व किया शशांक, से मुझे फोटो खींच के भेजो व्हाट्सएप में. बस आप सब ये हो. धन्यवाद.